Hi, we are on lesson 49, which is dividing or doing multiplication in groups, word problems with equal groups. Let's begin. In the practice set, you need to read the instructions. For A, it says there were 8 birds in each flock. There were 6 flocks. How many birds were there? It's going to look like this. We have 6 flocks. Whoops. It's best not to write with your eraser. We have 6 flocks. And we have 8 birds in each flock. Each flock, and then we multiply this to find out how many birds are total. And because we know our math facts, we know that 6 times 8 is 48 birds. Our next one, I'm going to scroll down. Our next one is there are 6 people in each car. There are 9 cars. So we have 9 cars. 6 people in each car. And they want to know how many people are in the car total. 6 times 9 is 54. So we know that there are 54 people total. And for C, a bakery containers displays 4 dozen muffins. How many individual muffins were in the display case? We know that we have 4 dozen. Okay, 4 dozen. And we know that a dozen is 12. We know that 1 dozen is 12. So we multiply this by 12 muffins in a dozen. And we multiply, and because we know we're hot shots and we know our 12s, we know that there are 48 muffins in the display case. And for D, one human hand has 27 bones. I think we've done this earlier. How many bones are in 2 human hands? We did the foot. Now this is the hands. Can you believe how many bones? Anyway, that's a little side note. So one hand has 27 bones, and bones in each hand, and we know that there are 2 hands. So we could multiply this. Now, we could use compatible numbers, and we could just say, well, 25 is pretty close to, or 27 is pretty close to 25, and we could multiply it there, and we would say, there are about 50 bones in both hands. That's one way we could do it. It would not be exact, but if we needed just a ballpark answer, when they say about how many, that would give us it's about. If we want an exact answer, then we can do it the full-blown thing and say 2 times 7 is 14. Take our 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 54. So there are exactly 54 bones in 2 human hands. Awesome. I wish you well on the homework. Let me know if you have any problems or questions. Take care.